More than 40 years ago, when the first wet scrubbers were installed here in the USA, those scrubbers were spec'd with rubber-lined pumps.
The pieces of the rubber volute liner can enter the system, go through the pump, and plug up the header in the absorber tower. If that happens, and after a period of time a lot of these rubber pieces accumulate in the header, the efficiency of the scrubber module deteriorates to the point where the system has to be taken offline and the headers have to be physically disassembled and cleaned out of any of the rubber debris and then reassembled and brought back online. And that can be very, very time consuming, and depending on the design of the module, can be a very, very costly affair for the utility.
For some reason, we've repeated the same mistake decades later, and we've installed another wave of rubber-lined pumps for FGD pumps in the coal-fired power industry.
The thing about it is, with these pumps, you've seen how large these are, right? I mean, they're fairly large. And when you think about a piece of rubber that's 20 millimeters, 19 millimeters, 3/4 of an inch thick, and it's got an 1/8 of an inch fiberglass on the back, it's just a wobbly lot, you know. And they have got, I think there's maybe 10 1/2-inch little bolts that hold that fiberglass skeleton in place, and they're like, you know, 2-3 feet apart from each other. So everywhere in between, you know, it's everything is moving, there's a lot of give to it. And what happens is, in a lot of these rubber liners, they actually break down because of the constant flexing and movement.
Our solution for owners of rubber-lined absorber recycle pumps is an all-alloy wet-end cast in our alloy HC34, which is a special modified high-chrome iron. We have reduced carbon content to improve the corrosion resistance and the toughness, and we have increased alloy content once again to enhance the corrosion resistance and still yet provide long wear life and good abrasion resistance.
And with the improvements that we have made to the impeller suction liner design, has proven to be very effective with no measurable deterioration in performance, amperage draw, efficiency of the pump. Upon a recent inspection, we found that rather than the customary 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch wear after 6 to 8 months that our customer has experienced previously, we have only accumulated a net wear of approximately 40 thousandths of an inch over a 3-year period. And so with that, it is readily apparent that the longevity of the design has been proven, that the uptime can be dramatically increased with our design, and the net overall cost to the utility is dramatically less. We went the same way in the approach, addressing existing installation problems with various customers that helped us out with a tremendous amount of input as to what they would like to see and what would work. We did a lot of research on the infrastructure, available infrastructure for installation on these very large units in conjunction with our customers, and then went to design a one-piece high chrome volute design that would provide a drop-in fit without any required construction or major infrastructure changes. The initial installation proved to be a very, very easy one compared to what is currently available on the market. Because of the simple one-piece design, the complete retrofit kit installation from start to finish, we're looking at approximately 3 to 4 hours of actual installation time, whereas our competitors' design in some instances may take 1 to 2 complete days to complete.
We've developed a solution, we have it available, produced and manufactured right in our foundry in Candler, Florida, here in the USA, an American-made solution that's going to provide the coal-fired power industry with low-cost scrubber pump operation for many decades to come. We're excited about our opportunity to help you and hope that you'll take a serious look at what we've developed and how we can help you reduce your cost.